box kit is cleverly designed and all lures are carefully selected. The lifelike lures not only look like real fish, but it also swims in the water, so they're very flexible, making fish think it's real life fish and it's going to bite it violently, increasing your fishing success rate and increasing your confidence that you'll never leave empty-handed. All the fishing accessories you need can be found in this combination kit. You have a crankbait, a popper, 1 pencil, 1 minnow, 1 VIB, 1 frog, 2 split tail fishes, 10 spinner lures, 54 soft worms, there's 20 soft plastic shrimp, 30 split shots, 10 offset hooks, 15 jigs, 5 drop shot weights, 10 bullet weights, 5 fishing leaders, and 100 hooks with a box and more fishing accessories. This combination of various fishing lures allows you to use them in all kinds of situations. It works great for both saltwater and freshwater, as well as function well in all water levels. It's going to attract fish like bass, muskies, trout, salmon, walleye, and more. All the fishing accessories are high quality materials and made of stainless steel and soft plastic, so it's not easy to deform and has anti-corrosion properties. It's durable and practical. The portable tackle box comes free for us. It's compact and easy to carry with us anytime, anywhere. It's going to measure 8 inches by 4.2 inches by 2.5 inches. All of the bass and trout fishing lures have gone through precision processing, so you'll be sure to say, "I got a bite."